cousins, welcome back to my channel. I already told y'all, you're no longer a friend, you are my cousin. So cousin we shall be and cousin we are. If you are new, my name is Afi. I love helping women develop a personal style that promotes their social and public image without having to break the bank. How we do that, we create fashion videos, and we also do wig reviews and hair tutorials for your natural hair, how to care for it, where to shop. And I also love creating vlogs on this channel or uploading vlogs. Make it make sense. So I purchased this wig once again at the beauty supply store. If you have a beauty supply store near you, I highly recommend you to go check them out. But if you are really, you know, big on just staying at home, letting it come to you, check out the link that I provided in my description box below. And one thing about the links that I provide in my description box, when you purchase something, I also get commission from what you purchase. So help a sister out, you know, help me help you, you help me, and I'll help you. That's the vibe, right? Because we cousins, that's what we do. Family, I love you, feel me. I was trying to rhyme. So yeah, so today's video is a hair review, and I want to talk about this hair that I have on my head. Y'all, I recently just washed this and I'm blown on what this conditioner and shampoo did to it. It is another one of Outre Perfect Hairline Full Hand Tie 13x4 lace wig, and this time around we're doing Yvette. Jody, where my car at? Gone, Yvette. Niggas asleep. Anyways, this is my favorite wig by far. There's other hairstyles by this exact brand or this exact hairline. Make it make sense, girl. Make it make sense. That I'm trying to check out as well. So today we decided to try out this week, new hairstyle. This week we decided to try out their Yvette. The Yvette girl came out. The Yvette in me came out this week, and I said, girl, this is really nice. But by far, this is by far the cutest affordable wig I've ever bought at the beauty supply store. And for it to be synthetic, they're coming for y'all. So Yvette came out looking cute out the package. This time around, I didn't get a chance to dip in apple cider vinegar because I was in a rush. I actually bought this hairstyle for my niece's first birthday, so I didn't have the time to dip it in water and let it freshly wash. So today was the day that I actually washed the hair after 4 days of wearing the hair. Don't be like me, okay? Wash your hair when you first get it out the package so it can look fresh and clean and it won't irritate your scalp. So yeah, so when I first got it, it was looking a bit too big on my head, but once you wash it, once you cleanse it, once you put gel, whatever it is, because day 2 I put gel on my hair. Day 2, I'm gonna place the picture so y'all can see. Day 2, I did spray water on my hair, and I was trying to get the curls to look like the curls look right now. And it was looking like this, but it wasn't like this. This looks moisturized. This is giving me moisturized hair, okay? Day 2, it was giving me just, we tried. That's what it was giving me. And yeah, the first day, it was a bit, I feel like day 4, once I actually washed it with the shampoo that I'm gonna place on the screen. I can't remember the name of the shampoo, even though it's in my bathroom. I washed it with this today, and I was amazed on how well it made the hair look. It's looking shiny, it's looking well put together. I absolutely love what the shampoo and conditioner did on my head. I think I co-washed it. Yeah, I co-washed it. I used the co-wash, not the shampoo. I co-washed the hair, and I also used the conditioner to condition the wig. And this is how it came out looking like. So like any other wig, it comes like the first review that I did, their wigs look the same. If you haven't watched that review, I highly recommend you to watch the other style. I'll leave the link down below so you can also check out that wig review. So yeah, with this hair, I realized that, well, not realized, but I noticed that compared to the other wig that I wore last week, this one doesn't come with like the scalp thing. Like you don't see that the headband scalp. I'm not sure if I'm making sense, but the first wig, it came with like a little scalp thing where it's like a wig cap attached to the wig, so it looks like your scalp. This one didn't come with that, which I absolutely love, and I realized that I can also take it off in my other wig. I wish I could show you. You know what? Let me go get it so I can show you. All right, so this wig right here was the wig that I did a review on last week, which it's on the channel. So yeah, I did a review on this, and this wig right here, it came with like a scalp cap attached to the wig. So it's like, yeah, it came like this. I don't know if you can see, but it came like this. And this wig right here, it doesn't have that at all. Like, it's just the scalp, and I love that it didn't have that, which gives me a reason to actually take this off, because you can take this off if you don't think it looks natural on your hair. You can take this off if you want. This one didn't have it, which made it a lot more easier for me to just blend by putting powder on the lace and making it look like my actual hair. So with the lace, I'm trying to learn how to blend my lace, because this wig is a transparent lace HD wig. The lace is HD and it's transparent. If you know how to melt your lace, girl, show me how. I've been trying to learn how. I'm recently getting back into, you know, wigs and learning how to do wigs and plucking wigs. So you guys will be getting a lot of wig reviews on my channel. So yeah, one thing I did love about this hair was, it came pre-plucked. I didn't have to do all that. It came pre-plucked, and the baby hair was already there. I'm not a wig maker, but I do hair. I'm still trying to, you know, perfect the wig side of my talent when it comes to hair. And I must say, this one right here made it a lot easier for me to just get the hairline, the lace, and just cut it and not have to pluck, not have to do a whole lot. So if you get the wig and you feel like it doesn't meet your requirement as far as, like, you know, the plucking and stuff like that, you are allowed to pluck it to your liking. But as for me in my house, I didn't want to destroy the wig, so I said, you know what, God give it, God might take away, so let's be grateful and just wear what we have. So I decided to just keep the, you know, pluck the way it came in without having to do too much. And I have noticed that with synthetic hair, when you wear it for such a long time, especially straight hair, the longer you have it on, or the longer you have it around, make it make sense, when you brush it a lot, you are kind of like, you know, you're thinning your hair a little bit. So plucking it for me wasn't a big deal, because I know once I wear it for a long time, or if I have it around for a long time, when I wash it, when I brush it, I am kind of like, you know, some hair is coming off, and I am, you know, thinning my front a little bit. So eventually it will look natural, like more plucked than how it looks. Make it make sense, guys. Make it make sense. It will look natural eventually, you know, as time comes. So yeah, another thing I did love about this wig was the fact that I didn't have to like glue it down. You do have adjustable straps in the back where you can actually make it tighter if you want without having to glue it down. I like to crisscross my little strings to tie it up, so I don't have to like glue it. When I am in a rush, I can just put my wig on and you know play with the edges, and I'm good to go. I like to crisscross my strings, so that way I know it's a lot more secure and it's not gonna come off. We're good to go. We don't have to worry about nothing at all. So that's one thing I did like. It was the fact that it wasn't too trouble to wear on my head. Another thing I liked about this wig was when I first took it out the box, I was in a rush. So it did come ready to wear. I know there's some synthetic wig, when you get it out the box, you have to remix the hair. You have to make sure that it's good to go. You have to make sure that it's flawless. It don't make you look crazy. This one right here was actually very easy for me to enjoy. So it was very easy for me to enjoy, because I was going to my niece's first birthday party and I was in a rush and I had to like cut the lace. I was afraid that sis might go bald or mess up. Ooh! Ah! I was afraid that sis might go bald because I was in a rush and I was trying to like cut the lace up and make it look good. Make it look good. Look good. Jody, my Jody. But Yvette did come prepared. She came for what I was looking for, and she gave me what I wanted and what I needed for that party. Day 4 of the hair, this is when I washed the hair. I recently just washed this hair, and the shampoo and conditioner that I used did add a lot more shine to it compared to how it was before. I didn't add anything else to the hair. All I did was I co-washed the hair. I didn't shampoo it. I used a co-wash, and I also conditioned the hair, and it gave it what I was trying to give it a while ago. And if you can tell, the shine is there. Everything looks so perfect with this hair. And it's synthetic, so for the way it looks, I'm telling you, synthetic hair never looked this good back when I used to wear synthetic hair. Nowadays, synthetic hair is coming for human hair next. Like when I tell y'all, back in the days, them auntie wigs was not cute. Okay, synthetic hair was looking not cute. It was giving me aunties. It was giving me I would never wear a wig in my life because auntie wig looked tore up. That's what it was giving me. And for this to not look like it's like a synthetic hair is mind-blowing to me. Very mind-blowing to me. So the lace for this did not come the same as the other lace, and I absolutely like it a lot. You are allowed to part it however way you want. It's free part, which I absolutely love. For $50 for the wig to be the way it is, I am amazed and I am sold. I'm definitely going to be going back to get more of these type of hair or just wigs in general. And it's also $50. Okay, $49.99 and at the beauty supply store. Well, in my location it's $49.99. On Amazon, if you buy it off of the link that I provided in my description box, it will be at least, I think it was like $43.99, $45.99, around that price range. So yeah, check it out for yourself. Now that we talked about the good thing about this hair, let's talk about the cons. Is it cons? The pros are good, the cons are bad, right? What are you talking about, Lewis? So let's talk about the cons of the hair. So everyone knows, if you don't know, I'm gonna let you know right now, it's synthetic hair. It does say you can heat it up to 400, safe up to 400 degrees, but I wouldn't recommend it. I don't like to play with heat on synthetic hair, even if it says it's, you know, straight hair friendly or straightener or heat friendly. There are certain heat equipments that gets too hot for synthetic hair and you don't want to burn the hair off. So for me, I try to stay away from using heat on synthetic hair. It's just not a vibe for me. But when it comes to shedding, I love to say this and I'm gonna keep saying it. Every hair sheds, okay? There are some synthetic hair that sheds like crazy, but every hair shed. From the scale from 1 to 10 when it comes to shedding on this hair, I am gonna say it's a good 7.5, only because it's curly hair and sometimes it does tangle, but when you do, you know, play with it a lot, you won't really see a lot of shedding, but once it tangles, you will get that shedding, but it's not going to be a lot of shedding, if I'm making sense. So the shedding for this hair, I will say it's a good 7.5. It all depends on the day and how dry it is. So I did realize that on day 3, after I applied gel, on day 2, I did apply gel, I did apply mousse on the hair. The hair was a bit stiff, which made me wash the hair today. And I'm glad I did because it's giving me the shine that I was looking for. And it's very much so playable now compared to how it was before. I absolutely love this hairstyle on me and I will keep using it. During the cold. We are going into the cold season, and if you are those type of person that don't like to, you know, pay so much on wigs, which I highly recommend you to at least have a good, you know, quality wig that you can wear every once in a while. One of those good quality wigs that you pay so much money for is a must. But if you are still, you know, on a budget, or you just don't care so much for, you know, high expensive wigs, this hairline right here, this, I would say go ahead and purchase this hairline right here. The only thing that I would say that was kind of like a bit of a when it came to this hair was, for me, was the blending of the lace. Maybe it's because I'm not good at, you know, melting my lace just yet. But if you're good at melting your lace, you will definitely have this looking like your scalp. By far looking like your scalp. I already know what to expect when I buy synthetic hair. A lot of people put a lot of expectations when it comes to synthetic wig. They expect for it to not shed. They expect for it not to tangle. They expect for it. Girl, you're buying synthetic wig, okay? Go on, Yvette. Go on. Niggas tired. It's gonna shed. Whether you buy human hair or not, your own hair sheds. Your own hair tangle. But when it comes to treating it like human hair, it's impossible for you to treat a synthetic hair like human hair. Once you start feeling the stiffness of the hair, you start feeling the you know, you can't put your hands in the hair no more, let it go. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, by far, I absolutely love this wig. I am going to keep it in for a while. This is going on week 1 with the hair. Every week we have a different hairstyle, so I'm definitely gonna try to go back and get another hairstyle from this exact hairline. And yeah, it comes in multiple colors, and I do love the fact that the back, of course, it has an adjustable strap. Like I mentioned before, I like to cross my strap so it can actually like sit on my head. I do have a small head, so crossing it makes it fit on my head. And yeah, like you can it's so nice. Like I really love what it's doing to me right now. It's so cute. Okay, girl, go on, Yvette. Make a nigga food. But yeah, so I don't know if I made sense. I hope I made sense. Hopefully I answered all your questions. If you have any questions, leave them down in the description box below. I'll be glad to go over and answer any questions that I didn't answer in this video. The tangling, it will tangle, girl. Don't worry about it. It's a good 7.5 as far as tangling. Synthetic wig, 7.5, that's the norm. Okay, day 1 you won't experience the tangling because it will be fresh out the box. It will give you that waviness, that je ne sais quoi type of vibe, beautiful glamorous vibe. But after day 4, day 3, you'll start experiencing a little bit more of the stiffness. If you do experience that, I highly recommend you to wash it. Okay, wash the hair, bring it back to life like I did, and you will be fine. I promise you'll be fine. If you are curious on the type of hairstyle that I previously did a review on, go down in my description box, click the review, and it's gonna take you to the same brand but a different hairstyle, if that makes sense. If it makes sense. If it makes sense, let me know. Okay. Thank you so much for tuning in. I enjoyed making this review. If I didn't answer your questions, or you have other questions that you would like to know about the hair before purchasing the hair, leave it in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer all of those questions that you are, you know, thinking to ask, but you can't ask because you're watching the video and I can't answer them directly. I will be glad to answer them in the comment section below. And also, if you are curious to know my previous hairstyle from this exact brand, go ahead and click the description box down below. It will take you to that hairstyle review. And also, if you are, you know, interested in purchasing the hair, help assist, help assist, help assist. Purchase the hair. When you purchase the hair, I also get commission from what you purchase, and you helping me out as well, as much as I'm helping you out. So yeah, help assist, cousin. Come on, we're family, you know. I got all my brothers and sisters with me. Yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.